Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, I want to show us the easiest way to solve this simultaneous equation solution. Right, so we are going to use identity for sum of cubes for this first equation, this equation 1. Right, so using identity for sum of cubes. Right, so it means when we have x plus y raised to power 3, it will be s cubed plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cubed. Right, that is sum of cubes. We can also use Pascal triangle to find the coefficients of all these numbers here. Right, in Pascal triangle we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Right, and then this is when you have the number raised to power 0, this is when you have the number raised to power 1, this is when you have the number raised to power 2, and this is when you have it raised to power 3. So as we have it in this place, we have x plus y raised to power 3. So we expect the coefficients of these variables to be 1, 3, 3, 1, which we have here. Right here we have 1, we have 3 here, we have 3 here, and we have 1 here. All right, so let's try and simplify this. We have x plus y cubed equals to, let's put s cubed and y cubed together, s cubed plus y cubed. Then we have 3x squared y plus 3x y squared. Okay, from here we can put this together, and also we can factorize this, we can bring out what is common here. Okay, so I'm going to bring this to that side, or let's do it this way: x plus y cubed equals to s cubed plus y cubed. Then what is common here? 3xy is common, and I have x plus y. By the time you open this bracket, you have this, right? Because 3xy times x will give you 3x squared y, and 3xy times y will give you 3xy squared. All right, we can take the whole of this to that side. So we have x cubed plus y cubed will be equals to x plus y cubed minus, by the time we take this to that side, 3xy x plus y. All right, from here we can recall that s cubed plus y cubed is 35. That gives our equation 1. And also x plus y equals to 5. That gives our equation 2. So it means anywhere we see s cubed plus y cubed, we can write 35. And anywhere we see x plus y, we can write 5. Okay, from here now we have s cubed plus y cubed, that is 35. This is 35 equals to x plus y. What is x plus y? Is 5. That will be 5 raised to power 3 minus 3xy. Now what is x plus y? X plus y is 5. We write it. So we have 35 equals to 5 raised to power 3 is 125. That is 5 times 5 times 5 minus 3xy. Okay, times 5. That will actually give us 15. Okay, so we do 35. We can bring this one here. It becomes minus 125 equals to, we multiply this, it becomes minus 15xy. 35 minus 125 gives minus 90. So minus 90 equals to minus 15xy. Now we divide both sides by minus 15. It means xy equals to minus 90 divided by minus 15. And that means that our xy equals to minus 15 here 1, minus 15 here 6. And that's our final answer. Xy is equals to 6. All right, so let's try this question. Let's solve x raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3 equals to 181, and x plus y equals to 9. All right, so let's solve this and write our answer in the comment section. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please and please do subscribe. See you next time.